The mic now is connected to the lavalier to my GoPro Media Mod, and just comparing the sound to the previous ride that I took, where the GoPro Hero 13 was connected to the Mic Mini just through Bluetooth. So the quality will be interesting when I get back and upload this to the computer to see if it sounds any different or better. Unfortunately, the wind is very strong today, so I guess it's not best for making a comparison test. This will just be a short ride here, and I actually hate the wind more than I hate riding in the rain. Wind and rain together is the bits. Yeah, whenever you take a motorcycle road trip to Colorado, make sure you stay on top of the weather, because today it's 67 degrees, April 17th, Thursday, and we're expecting about 2 inches of snow tomorrow night, and the temperature for the high will be 35 degrees on Saturday. So just because the weather looks great, when you look at your local weather and you're going to go, oh, I'm going to ride over there to Colorado and ride up in the mountains, just do your homework with the weather. It could be very unforgiving riding in the mountains to get caught in a snowstorm in June. These Goldstrike Panovista mirrors, I purchased the ones with the LED lights. They're more expensive with the sequential turn signals than the standard mirrors without the turn signal indicators. But yeah, I think it was worth the extra money having the LED signal lights on there, and it really does improve my vision of what's behind me. Even with the windsock on and the Hero 13 set to dampen the wind noise, I bet you the wind's still going to come through pretty clearly on this recording. A couple weeks ago I took in the Goldwing and had the engine bolt replaced with the service recall on it, and I haven't had any issues. The bike's been running great. They didn't tell me whether my bolt was one of the defective type engine bolts. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Over and out.